Recently, CBiBank, together with Shinhan Bank, helped the customer settle a letter of credit for $300,000, helping the customer to establish business mutual trust with partners quickly. Mr. Lee runs a Singaporean company that mainly exports organic fertilizers, and in April, they successfully expanded their first Korean customer. But before they could celebrate, they were faced with a new dilemma. Because the two parties have not established mutual business trust in the early stage of cooperation, there may be risks if using TT settlement. The Korean customer was afraid that Mr. Lee's company would not ship the goods after the payment, while Mr. Lee was afraid that the other party would not pay if the goods were sent. As a result, both parties agreed to settle by letter of credit. A letter of credit is a written document commissioned by the buyer's bank as a conditional promise to pay. If the seller complies with the terms of the letter of credit, the buyer's bank, also known as the issuing bank, must pay. The two banks acted as guarantors for the buyer and seller, collecting and delivering bills on their behalf, replacing commercial credit with bank credit. The settlement was determined, and the Korean customer successfully opened a letter of credit in US dollars with Shinhan Bank. And as a regular customer of CBiBank, Mr. Lee was the first to consult his account manager and learned that CBiBank could act as a notification bank to help customers receive payment for their goods. According to CBiBank's survey, Shinhan Bank, one of the largest commercial banks in Korea, has large assets, a low balance sheet ratio, and high bank credit. Soon, CBiBank and Shinhan Bank established a partnership and helped the customer successfully settle 3 letters of credit totaling $300,000. Since November 2022, CBiBank has helped a number of companies to complete letter of credit settlements, covering Asia Pacific and other regions, supporting letter of credit settlements notifications in USD, EUR, and RMB currencies. Responsible for the safety of customers' funds, CBiBank, as a advising bank, strictly follows the following principles. Audit the issuing bank, strictly examine the creditworthiness of the issuing bank, and strictly prohibit cooperation with banks with poor credit. Review letter of credit. Help customers to review letters of credit within the validity period to avoid refusal of payment by issuing banks on the grounds of non-conformity. CBiBank's letter of credit business makes up for the lack of commercial credit with bank credit and helps customers quickly establish mutual trust relationships with their partners. If you need letter of credit settlement, welcome to consult 19393327-85 hotline customer service, or consult your account manager. We will be happy to serve you at the first time.